Good morning everybody, and this is your Forex day trade setups for today. So something is happening at the moment, not sure what it is, but if you look at Euro USD, we had a pretty big sell-off yesterday, and then sort of coming into an area of support. So what we thought was a flag is still a flag, bearing in mind that we only have a 25% probability of this break to the downside playing out, but you look there, we did break to the upside. This could be a fake out at the moment. It's not confirmed yet. We're going to need to reject the zone and continue down before we are worrying about that. But it does look like there's a crossover here. This is all pointing towards sort of stronger dollar right now. We do have a zone of support coming up, and if we look at this on the hour, I suppose that is kind of what we should be looking at. So I would be looking to continue moving down in this channel. Let's just assume that it's a channel for now. Ignore the fake outs to the bottom and the top, and you're looking to be short off structure, and that there is the most logical zone for me. So that's 110.586 is what we're looking for. Not really interested in jumping in down here. It's kind of just a recipe for disaster. The other option is to get in here at 110.267. However, when we move on to the US dollar Japanese yen, we have weak dollar here as well. So very rare that happens. Normally you have, if it's strong dollar, it's strong dollar. But here you've got strong dollar on the one, and then you've got weak dollar on the other. So something's happened in the Asian session, not sure what it is, and yesterday, but what we do have here, this massive big cup and handle or head and shoulders pattern that is forming. So this is why the indexes are all over the place, because Forex is all over the place at the moment. And you can see here, we did have the Bank of Japan have come out with their interest rate. They didn't raise the interest rates, but you can see the confusion, big up, big down this morning. So I'd be sitting on the sides here. I'm not too sure what to expect next, especially not with these big moves, and it's typical when data's coming out. And look at the diversions here. So if you just look what's happening in Euro USD and you look what's happening here, logic says if Euro USD is heading in one direction, this thing's going to stabilize and follow in the direction of the dollar. But that's kind of my sit on hands view there. Moving on to British pound, Japanese yen, pretty much a similar situation here. We have plummeted quite quickly, and we're coming up to some area of supports here. Sorry, I clicked the wrong button there, and it's going to want to load slowly. Okay, so you see that all the way up, all the way down, really not something I want to be trading. The range did break to the downside, as we were speaking about. We were looking for a break either side. We got the break yesterday. I just want to see if we had a break on the 15-minute that would have made sense. No, it just plummeted. Although, hindsight being a perfect science, if you look at these levels here, let's just put one in. If you look, not there, you look there, how strong that level is there, and we drop below it, with the moving averages crossed over, oscillators moved up and then sort of started rolling. There was your indication there. 375 point stop loss, but 3,600. So it's like a 10-to-1 opportunity there. Anyway, kind of missed it. So this is also sit on hands. This kind of price action is not something I want to trade. I'm not even going to bother discussing that further. And then Euro British pound, the confusion continues. So we've got going, moves to the downside. We're looking for support here. Didn't materialize really. We're looking for rejection. That didn't materialize either. And we're basically just whipsawing up and down yesterday. So you can see here, big up, big down, big up. So that's also sit on hands. So anyway, looks like the whole market for me is sit on hands until Monday. So it is coming up to the end of the month, end of the week as well. So you could see some profit taking for bulls and bears in different sets. But for me, I think I will take an early weekend and we'll leave this alone. Hope that helps you somewhat, and we will catch up with you next week. Enjoy your weekend. Cheers for now.